Hello.
Hey Raman, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi sir. Hi. Now I can hear.
Hello, hello. I can hear you now.
But your voice is not clear. It's very feeble. I cannot hear you properly.
Oh, is it? No, I'm very close to my laptop. I can hear you very properly.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's good. Now it's good. So I've shared my screen. Can you see that? Let's just start now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I
okay.
can see.
Yes. So
Yes.
let's just start now without wasting any time. Okay. So see, today
Sure.
it is our first lecture, right?
Yeah.
So tell me like any overview, like any basic idea you have about the language. Any time you tried earlier to learn anything or totally beginner.
No, no, completely beginner. I was actually watching one of your the YouTube link that you shared over the WhatsApp, right?
Okay. Okay.
Where you were giving lesson to somebody,
Okay.
and that's where you explained this Abe say
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
so on.
Yes, yes.
So that's what I watched, but completely a beginner, and I would love to start from the scratch.
Okay, okay, good. So see, whenever we start a new language, na, we first of all, we start with its letters A, B, C,
See,
D.
just one thing which I want to
Mm-hmm.
specify here is that my aim in the end is that I want to speak
Exactly.
rather than anything else, right? Rather than any
Yes,
certification, any
yes,
anything.
yes.
I just want to speak.
Definitely. Correct, correct. Obviously. Okay. So
Okay.
both the things you
Yeah.
have to take care. Okay, like grammar and all. Without grammar and vocabulary, you cannot speak. So we'll be starting step by step. Okay, and gradually we'll be moving on to German mode after that. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, because whenever you are learning a new language, you should learn it in your native language, which is Hindi and English mix. Okay,
Correct.
so don't
Correct.
have this confusion in your mind that we are not using German to German. If we start speaking German from day one, you will not be able to understand anything. Okay, so whatever
Yeah.
topic we'll
Yeah.
be teaching you, you will not understand the topic, and other things you will be getting confused. Okay, what did you speak and all that. So that's why we avoid German to German directly. Gradually, we'll be moving towards that. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
I think that makes sense
Yes.
because in the start, if you'll go with German, then I won't be able to
Yes,
understand
yes,
it.
yes.
So
Because this
it's better
question
to
many
start
times
with
people
English.
ask to me that in Germany they are teaching German to German. You are not taking German to German. So that pattern, that is the reason they are making you sit for 1 year. That is the only reason behind that. Okay.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
content
Makes sense.
which you can do in 20 lectures, they are making you sit for 2.5 months just for that. Because and
Correct.
you can also see the lecture duration also. No, my lecture is just 1 hour. It's short, very short and sweet. Because you have that much time only, right? Yeah, if I make you sit for 4 hours, you cannot even attend one lecture. So that's the
No, no,
thing.
that's exactly that is the kind of feedback that I heard from my colleagues as well.
Yeah, yeah,
People like Manas, they
yeah,
told me
yeah.
that you have a very structured session
Hmm.
planned for this, and that's one of the reason I reached out to you directly.
Yes. Okay. So let's start now. See, whenever we start with a new language, now we first of all start with its script. Okay. So you have to
Okay.
understand what letters are there, what numerals are there, what ABCD, what kind of vowels and consonants. All that thing you have to see. So German, as you know, it's a European language. Okay. It has the same ABCD, same letters, same script which you are using in English. Okay, same 1 2 3 4,
Okay.
same digits, same numerals, and same letters. Everything is same. Apart from English, you will be
Yeah.
having 3 or 4 extra letters. You might have seen sometimes there are two dots on A, O, and U. Okay, so and there is one
Mhm.
beta. If you see Strasse, in Strasse they have one beta, chemistry wala beta.
Correct.
Okay, so
Correct.
these,
Which means double S, right?
yeah, it
Which
it
is written as double S.
sometimes you can write as double s, but in some words you should not convert that. Okay, so if the word is
Okay.
having beta, what I would suggest is prefer to write beta only, don't convert it into double s. Okay, if
Okay.
in some regions
Okay.
they do, okay, but avoid that. Okay, better avoid that thing, right? Otherwise you will make a
Okay.
habit to convert totally your if you just put it equal to double s or beta, don't do like that, right? So
Okay.
four extra letters are
Mhm.
there: A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and that chemistry beta. Apart from that, this A till Z, the same set of alphabets are there which are there in English. Okay, so in
Mhm.
English we have A B C D
Okay.
E F G H, something like that. In German we have A B C D. The names of letters are totally different. A B C D E F G, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
So you might have watched one of the video. In that I played one video. Same video I am playing it here. I'll play it twice. Try to listen to that, and then we'll be comparing it with the English ABCD. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Listen to it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, so now you have to repeat it after me. Okay, ABCD, speak ABCD.
A, B, C, D,
AFG.
A, F, G,
Yeah, once again. ABCD.
A, B, C, D,
AFG.
A, F, G,
HIJK.
H, I, J, K,
LMNOP.
L, M, N, O, P,
HIJK.
H, I, J, K,
LMNOP.
L, M, N, O, P,
Yeah, once again. HIJK.
H, I, J, K,
LMNOP.
L, M, N, O, P,
Then QRST.
Q, R, S, T,
UVW.
U, V, W,
QRST. UVW.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Then last is XYZ.
X, Y, Z.
Set,
Z.
set,
How
set.
do you
Not
pronounce
Z,
it?
it's just set. Okay.
Set. In English, we use say SET, right? That's how you pronounce SET.
Yeah,
as
yeah.
you say.
Set. Ta and sa mix. Okay. XY set.
X, Y, set.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm playing the audio again. Listen to it twice.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay. So repeat again with me. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D,
AFG.
A, F, G,
HIJK.
H, I, J, K,
LMNOP.
L, M, N, O, P,
QRST.
Q, R, S, T,
UVW.
U, V, W,
XYZ.
X, Y, Z.
Okay. XYZ. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So see, that is the list of the German set of letters, German ABCD. Right?
Mhm.
So where you will be needing that, I am writing something in chat. Let's say you have some capital letters to speak. Example, if I say BMW. So you will not say BMW,
Okay.
you will say BMW. Okay?
Correct.
You have to speak like the
Okay.
German letters because it's a German company. So BMW, right? In India we say BMW because in India we follow the English ABCD. Right? But
Correct.
in Germany you have to follow the German set of sounds. BMW, like this.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
similarly there's one more car. Yeah, BMW. Okay. Then,
BMW.
yeah, there's one more car company, Volkswagen. In short, they're called VW. Okay. So VW,
Okay.
right?
Correct.
UVW. So from that UVW, we are taking VW. VW is VW.
Yeah.
Okay. Similarly, let's say if I say CD, in India we say CD, but there you have to speak Sede. Abe Sede. So you will say Sede.
Say they.
Okay, got it now. So whenever you have any capital letter, so always avoid using the English ABCD. You have to speak the German ABCD. And one more scenario, let's say you are going to your this thing office, any office you are going, and you are filling your form. Then you will not say Aditya. If the person is asking the spelling of your name, you will not say Aditya. You have to speak the German letter because that person understands the German ABCD.
A-D-E.
T Y A.
A-D-E epsilon.
T, not T. Okay, R, D, E, T, Y, A. So this is a very typical question.
Epsilon.
Exactly. epsilon and r. It's a very typical question which they are asking in the exam. In the A1 exam, it's 100% they ask to spell out the letters of your name. Okay, so always remember, just remember this ABCD. I'll be sending you this video on chat. And one more thing, in the Zoom chat, na, the history is not maintained. Okay, so whatever
Yeah.
files I send you, download them before we end the class. Okay, otherwise they get deleted automatically because the history
So how
is not coming.
Sorry, I'm just using this for the first time. I usually use Teams.
Okay.
So how do I download it? Do you have any idea?
You will go to the chat. Okay, there's a chat option. You can see my screen. You will get the chat option. Okay, so on the chat option you will see the files. You can right click it and save it, or go to folder and all. Later you can download. Okay, it will take 3-4 minutes to come. So see, now what we are doing, we are starting with the rules of the sounds of these letters. So far you have just done the names of letters. Okay, names of letters like A, B, C, D, so on. Now you have to see the actual sound of letter. Let's say if I say your name, I speak like Aditya. I don't call you Aditya. Right?
Correct.
Because when we are speaking, we are using the name of letter. You call me Raman, you don't call me Raman. Raman is the name of the letter which are there in my name.
Correct.
Okay, but when we are speaking any word, we use the sound of the letters included in that word. Any word, you will use the sound. Okay, so now you have to focus on the sounds. That what is the sound of A, what is the sound of B, like this. Yeah, so I have shared one file here. This file I'll be sending you. You can take a printout later. Right now, no need to write down anything. You will get the file. I'll send it right away. So, see, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of letters. From A till Z, there are two parts, vowels and consonants. Okay? Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are from B, C, D till Z. So now we'll start with their sounds. So first of all, I'm drawing one table. Any word in German, if it is ending with B, D or G. Any word, if it is ending with B, D or G. Ending means in the end, if B, D or G is coming, then the sound of that B, D and G respectively will be pa, ta and ka.
Okay.
Pa, ta and ka. Yeah, the sound will be pa, ta and ka. So speak this example, right hand side. You can see my mouse pointer. Geep.
Geep.
Next. Yeah. Second.
Kind.
Kint, not kind.
No, kint.
Kint.
Yeah,
then third,
kint.
tak. Tak. So there is one common greeting, Guten Tag. So always call it as Guten Tag only. You will not say Guten Tag. Nothing called Tag. It's called Tag. Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Okay. So Geep means give. Okay. Kind means child and Tak means day. Right now we are not discussing the meanings. So leave them. Okay. For coming 2-3 lectures, we have to focus only on the sounds. Okay. Later we'll see the grammar and the meanings. All that.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm starting with the first letter. Yeah, BDG, PTK. Now I'm starting with the first letter. The first letter is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay.
Correct.
A is having two sounds, A and A. How you will decide? Yeah, A and A. So after A, if it is one consonant. Okay. After A, if it is one consonant, you have to count the consonants. Okay. After A, if it is one consonant, then it will have the A sound. Otherwise, A sound. So see the example here. A, L, T. After A, tell me how many consonants?
One. Two.
Two. Okay. Then F, R, A, G, E, N. How many? After A?
One.
Right? Directly only one. So we have to see the direct consonant only. Then T, R, A, G, E, N. After A, how many?
One.
So now the rule is, after A, if it is one consonant, then A sound, otherwise A. So speak the example here.
Alt.
Then second?
Fragen.
Okay. Alt. Next is Fragen. Then third is Tragen.
Tragen. Yeah.
Okay. Next is Tragen. Got it? Alt, Fragen and Tragen. Next is E. E is having the A sound. Okay, E is having the A sound always. There is no counting, just the A sound. So speak the example.
Which one?
This one.
SN.
E. Yeah. SN.
Egal.
SN and egal. Okay.
Egal. Yeah.
Egal. After A, it is one consonant, so A sound. Egal.
Yeah. So the previous rule will also apply. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay, long so E and E. Short E, yeah. After I, you have to do the counting.
Ship.
Sorry, what?
T and ship.
Yeah, long E like T and short E like ship.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. So after I, it is long one consonant and long E, otherwise short E. So see the example here.
Correct.
Okay, speak the
Because
example.
after I, there are three consonants.
So short E. Okay.
So
East.
correct. So short E. So it is east.
Hmm.
East.
East. East.
Yeah.
Okay. Then next
East.
WIDER. Speak next.
One. So Wieder.
Wieder. Okay. Next. Third.
Build.
Built. Okay.
Built.
After I, it is two consonants. So short E. Built. D in the
And
end is curved.
ending with D. So it will become T.
Yes. Yes. Built. Now see
Built.
here again GIBC after I one consonant. Okay. After I one consonant. So speak the example. Geep.
Jeep.
Then second.
Kint.
Kint. Next.
Tak.
Tak. Okay. After I A one consonant, that is tak. Geep,
Yeah.
Kint and tak. Next is O. O is having two sounds. After O, if it is one consonant, then O. O for Korea. And if it is more than one, then O for awesome. O sound. Okay.
O and O.
O
Okay.
and O. Yeah. O and O.
Okay.
Okay. So speak the example. Order.
Odor.
Order.
Because after E there is only one consonant.
Yes.
So it will be
After
pronounced
O
as
only one.
E.
That's why O sound. Okay. Order.
Correct.
Second.
Odor. Sol.
Zol.
Zol.
Single S is Z. Single S is Z. That is Zol. Okay.
Yeah.
Zol. Next.
Zol.
Third.
It'll be it is ending with T, right? Monad.
Monad.
Yeah. And then corp.
Yeah. Monad and then corp.
Corp.
Okay.
Because
Oder
there are two consonants, so you will pronounce it as paw.
Oder, Zol, Monad and corp.
Corp. Okay.
Okay. Got it till here?
Yeah.
Next is U. U is having the O sound. So speak the example.
Tune.
Tune. Next.
Tune. Mutter. After E, if there is only one consonant, then you will pronounce it as E, right?
After which
But
one?
E has only one sound, right?
Which one? Which one? No, E is having only A sound. Okay, mutter. That's normal. You don't have to highlight that. Don't say mutter. Don't highlight that.
Okay.
It's normal. Speak normally.
Okay.
Mutter. Okay.
Mutter.
Yeah, and R in the end will be very light. That I will discuss in the consonant. So don't call it mutter. That hard R will not come. It's a normal mutter. Okay, keep it very light in the end.
There is shoe.
Shoe. SCH is okay. SCH. You have seen some German companies like Bosch, Schindler,
Yeah,
Schneider. Okay.
Schneider.
Yes,
Bosch, etc.
Yes. So SCH is sound, right? And H in the end is silent. So that is shoe. Simple.
Tell me any other word like Schneider, Bosch, where you pronounce SCH as
All
sure.
anybody you can take. See Bosch, okay, or Schneider, Schneider, both are there. Schindler, many are there.
Schindler.
Everywhere
Schindler.
SCH is sure. Okay.
Shula.
Many words you can take. SCH.
Schindler's List.
Shula is also
There's a movie as well, right?
Yeah.
Schindler's List.
Correct. So SCH is sure. Okay. So what I'm doing, I am sending you this file first of all. So you download that and go through the letters from A till Z. Revise them for 5 minutes, and then we'll again discuss them, and then we'll move ahead from B. So it is like first time today, right? So you take your time. There is no hurry. Okay. Because these rules are very important. So revise them first.
Sure. So you are sending me on what?
I've sent the PDF on this Zoom chat. Okay, check it. You must have got. Let me stop the screen sharing. Now you will come to the chat.
Screen. Yeah, there are some 10 messages.
Okay, got it? There on the Zoom chat. So there first I have sent the video, and then second I have sent this file, PDF file.
Yeah, I'm not getting the option to download it, huh?
Click on that. Let's see what happens. Click on that. The file will open, then you can save it further. Or right click.
No file is there. There are only words. BMW.
Are you not getting the file?
No, there's no file there.
Okay, then you do one thing. Tell me your email ID. Okay.
Email ID, I'm it down.
Yeah.
Aditya Dubey.
Yeah, text me the
ADI.
email. Text me the email ID.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, that's better.
Video I will send in a separate email. Okay. So first I'm sending you this PDF file. Yeah, check your mail. I have sent on the mail.
So you've emailed me, right?
Yeah, I sent on email.
I need to switch screens now because I was on full screen.
Okay.
Yeah, I've just received it. PDF file.
Yeah. So open that part one first. Okay. In the part one, go through the letters A, E, I, O, U for 5 minutes. Revise them properly, and then after that we'll move further with the letter B.
Hmm.
I'm sending you the ABCD video also that you can download in the end of the class on mail only.
Sure. Okay. So A O A E O U. We pronounce U as U, right?
Yeah. U.
U.
Mm.
So it's BDG B D G B T K B D B T K. Okay. Keep int because there is 1 2 int tuck. A U A A A A. For example, car, aman, or because there are two, so we pronounce as alt, alt, fragen, tragen, a, sn, egal, egal, okay, e, e like t and e like ship, okay, so it will be ist, ist, wieder, and wieder, wieder and build. Okay. Then wieder, build. U, O, oder, soll, Monat. Why Monat? Because Monat, soll. Because after O there are two consonants. Okay. Corp. B, BD, BDJ, BDG, BDK. Okay. So B will become P, corp. B, T, B, D, B, P, D, T, G will become K. Okay. U, Tun, Mutter, Schuh, Mutter, Schuh, Tun. Consonants. Okay, so part 1 is done, Raman.
Okay.
You want me to shift to part 2?
Yeah, no. Start from the PDF first, from that top. Okay, explaining the rule and the example from that BDG PTK. Speak the rule and the example. Okay.
So you want me to speak it out, right?
Yeah. You have to explain me the rule and the example both.
So there are A, E, E, O, U. These are the vowels.
Yeah.
And
Just
then
explain the
there are
rule. Okay, that BDG PTK and the example keep content tag. In short, you
okay,
have to
so
explain.
BDG, PTK.
Hmm.
This is the table where you have the conversion. If any word ending with B, it will be pronounced as P. Anything ending with D pronounced as T. Similarly, G as K.
Yeah.
Examples are Geep, Int, Tag.
Next.
Okay. Then comes the pronunciation of vowels, where you have A, which is pronounced as A, which is pronounced as two. I mean, in terms of if it is if there is only one consonant after A, then you pronounce it as A. If there are more than one, then you pronounce it as U. A and A, right? A and A.
Yeah. So
examples are alt, fragen, tragen. Then comes your A, which is pronounced as A. Examples are SN, egal. Why egal? Because after A there is one consonant.
Yeah.
So A becomes A.
Next.
In I is pronounced as E. If there is only one consonant after I, then you will pronounce it as E, like T. And if there are more than one, then you pronounce it as E, like ship.
Yeah.
Ship, E, right? Examples are ist, wieder, built. Then comes your O, which is U in German pronunciation. Have two pronunciation for this. Two sounds
O
for
and
this other.
O. Yeah.
O and O. O and O like order, or O like awesome.
Next.
Examples are based on how many consonants are coming after O. Examples are oder, soll, monat, korb.
Yeah. Next.
Next is English word U, German word U, pronounced as U, and the examples are tun, Mutter, and Schuh. That's it.
Okay. Next is the consonant. Okay. So consonant,
Yep.
first consonant is B, right? Let me share my screen. The first consonant is B. So B, as you know, B in the end. Okay. B in the end is pa and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example. Belen, Oben. Speak the example.
Belen, Oben, Corp, Geep.
Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep.
Start, there is no rule, right?
No,
If it is
nothing.
ending with B,
Only
then it
in
will be
the end.
pronounced
Yeah,
as P.
only in the end, correct. Belen, Oben,
Okay.
Corp and Geep. Then next is C. C in the end is ka. Okay. C is always ka, not in the end. Everywhere it is ka. So speak the example. Camping.
Sorry, come again. C is what?
Always ka sound. So that is, you can say camping. Okay. They have taken this word from English. You can simple say camping.
Okay.
Okay.
Camping.
Camping also you can
C
say,
is
but
always
camping is
first
common.
sound.
Yeah, they have taken it from English. You can simply say camping.
Camping. Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, what is the next one? D. D in the end is ta and beginning or middle D for dog.
Yeah, correct. In the end, it is ta,
Hmm.
but in the start, it is like D, right?
Yeah. In the beginning
it
or
is-
middle everywhere it is D for dog. Okay. So speak the example.
Doom,
Dome, double M, dome,
Doom.
M, dome.
So the U would be pronounced as U, right?
Yeah, that is O. I'm saying M, ma, dome.
Okay. Doom.
No, again, dome. Why no is coming? I'm saying M, dome.
Yeah, Doom. Doom.
Correct. Second, bida. EI is I, bida.
AI is I.
I. Okay, EI is a vowel combination that is having the I sound, bida.
Okay. Bida.
Next, I is
Bida.
E.
For example, we pronounce by as by. It is pronounced that way, right?
Yeah. EI is a vowel combination that you will see later. Okay, later I'll tell you. In the after we end Z, there you will come to know what are these combinations. So EI is I. Okay, bida.
AI is
I.
I.
And next is IE. I is E. Weeder. Speak. Weeder.
Weeder.
Next. BAD. Speak next. Bart.
Correct. Bath.
Hmm.
And this one would be Hunt.
Hunt. Okay.
Hunt.
Wider. Weeder. Bart and Hunt.
Hunt.
Okay. Got
Yeah.
it? Yeah. Then
Yeah.
next is F. Okay. F is the first sound. Speak the example. F.
F. Fur. F.
So speak the example of F.
Foul. Shaft. Foul and shaft, right?
Yeah. Foul and shaft.
Correct.
Okay, got it? Foul and
Yeah.
shaft. Simple. Okay. AU is again, it's a vowel combination. AU is ow. So foul and shaft. Next is G. G in the end is ka from the table BDG PTK. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. Okay.
Sorry, come again.
G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun.
Yeah.
So speak the example.
Correct. Gagin.
Gegen.
Gegen.
Next.
Tak.
Tak.
Kluk.
Kluk. Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning, first position. H in the beginning, first position. That is her sound. Okay. H in the beginning,
Okay.
first position is her, and rest everywhere it is silent. Okay. Rest everywhere it is
Okay.
silent. So speak the example.
Halt.
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 Halt. Next.
Gain.
Gain.
Okay.
Okay. Halt.
No, but why are you pronouncing it as Gain?
Because H in the middle is silent.
Okay, so you'll not pronounce it as Gain. Huh?
Yeah,
Gain.
it's silent, na? Okay. Only in the beginning it is
Okay.
her, rest everywhere it is silent. So halt, Gayan and Zayan. No need to call it as Gahan. It's wrong. It's Gayan. Okay.
Gain
And Zayan.
and Zayan.
Yeah.
Zayan. Okay.
Next is J. J is having the ya sound. Okay. Speak the example.
Correct. Yunge. Junge,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Junge. Next is KLMNP, that is having the same sound. Kala manapa. Okay. Same sound. Kala
Kala
manapa. Speak the example.
Kala manapa. Okay. So it'll be
Klasa.
class.
Yeah.
Why are we saying class?
E in the end is okay. So E in the end we speak don't call it classe. It's only klasa.
Okay, so E in the end is
Klasa. Next, chicken.
Klasa, chicken, Keller, and this is Will.
Next, Atman.
Shrimp, right? Rennen, Brown,
Lippa.
Okay,
got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rennen, Brown, and Lippa. So now go through the complete PDF again from B till P, okay? And revise the rules from A, E, I, O, U, okay? Take 5-7 minutes of time. Revise the complete PDF, all the 4 pages from A till P, everything. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Then we'll discuss it again. Revise it first.
So A, A, U, Alt, Fragen, Tragen. E, A, SN, egal. I, E, ist, wieder, built. Because BDG, ETK. Okay. O is U, or. Order, Zoll, Monad, Corp. U. U is U, Tun, Motel, Shoe. B, in the end it is P, but in the start it is pronounced as Bay. So, Belen, Ubain, Corp, Geep. K for camping. D is pronounced as the. Doom. By day. Now in the end E is U. Baidu. This IE is pronounced as E. Wieder. IE, EI. EI is I. IE is E. Bad. Hunt. F is pronounced as fur. F for football. Foul, shaft. G is pronounced as gay. Again. How do you pronounce G, Raman?
G in the end is K, okay, and rest everywhere it is normal G for gun. So Gegen, Bogen, Tak, and Klug.
Okay, in the start it is, in the end it is K.
Yeah.
Yeah, BDJ wala, right? And in
beginning
the start
or middle
it is G.
Rest everywhere it is G. Okay. In the end it is K and rest everywhere it is G.
Correct. Gegen, Tag, Klug. Okay. H is Ha for hen. Halt, Gehen, no, Gehen, Gehen, Sehen, Gehen, Sehen, Gehen, Sehen. J is pronounced as Ya. Junge, Junge, Junge. Because in the end, E is pronounced as U. So Junge.
Not U. Okay, E in the end is Junga, not Jungu. Junga.
Junge.
Yeah.
Junge. E in the end is pronounced as
That is the way to write okay, that's why I've written UH, but don't take it literally U. Okay, it's
correct. But you will write it as I mean,
that is just for your reference. That after the
J-U-N-G-E, right? That's the way you will write.
JUNGE is the actual word. Okay, don't see that spelling written near that. Got it? JUNGE is the actual word. Don't read that YUNGUS. That is just for your reference, for the reference of your sound. Okay. So that sound double quotes word you don't have to read. The actual word is JUNGE. That's it.
And you will pronounce it as Junga.
Junga.
Junga. And then Klasse, Schicken, Keller, Wheel, and Atmen, Swim, Rennen, Brown, Lipper. That's it.
Okay. Any doubt till P?
No doubt so far.
No.
Good.
Okay. So now let's move ahead. Okay. Let's start with Q. So I have shared my screen. Check it. The next letter which we have is Q. So Q always comes with U. Okay. And QU sound is qua. Q always comes with U. Just like in English, quality, qualify. Like that in German also, Q comes with U. And the QU sound is qua. So speak the example.
QU sound is
qua.
Sorry, Q sound is qua. Huh? Qua.
Yeah, speak the example. Quer. Next is R. Okay. R is glottal. Glottal means something coming from inside of the neck. R, like this. Okay. R is glottal. R. So speak the example. Riser. Speak. Riser.
Riser.
Then brooder and Schwester. Okay.
Brooder and Schwester.
Yeah. So see, this R in the end is very light position. Okay. Don't make it very hard. Don't make it brooder. That's wrong. It's just brooder and Schwester. Okay.
Schwester, brooder.
Yeah. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir. Speak the example.
Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss. Zingen and Schloss.
Correct.
Next is T. T is ta. Ta sound. Speak the example.
Tanken, Raten.
Tanken and Raten. Next is V. V is fur and W is ver. Okay. This is very important. V sound is fur and W sound is ver. Okay.
So if you want to pronounce, then it will be for
Volkswagen.
Right?
Volkswagen. Speak.
Football. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen, not Volkswagen. Volkswagen. V is for Volkswagen.
Okay. Volkswagen.
Yes. Next, feel.
Volkswagen.
Next example.
Next is wheel.
Feel.
Correct. Feel.
Next.
Feel for Wasser,
not Wasser. Wasser.
Vegan.
And wo. Sir, wo, not woo. Wo, O is O sound, na? Wo. Okay. Yeah.
Wo.
Yeah. Wo. Feel for Wasser, vegan and wo. Next, X. X is X only. Okay. X is X only. Speak the example. X Strahlen. This is the example. X Strahlen.
X Strahlen.
Yes. Next is Y.
Extralen.
Y is ui sound. Y is just the ui sound.
It should be silent, right? Extralen.
Yes, that's silent.
Okay.
Next is Y. Y is ui sound. Speak the example. Twip.
Y is we. Huh?
Ui.
Y is we. Okay.
Speak the example.
So
Twip.
Tweep.
Yeah.
Okay. Tweep.
Yeah. Next is Z. Z is mix of ta and sa. Okay. Z is mix of ta and sa. So speak the example. Sight and sook.
So ta and sa. Sight and sook. Okay.
Yes.
But T you cannot pronounce, right? In the start. So it becomes sight and sook.
Mix of ta and sa. Sight and sook.
But the sound is not coming, right? Sound would be S only.
Yeah, it's kind of S, basically mix of ta and sa, right? It's sight and sook. No, it's not proper S. Proper S will become zait. That is wrong. Okay, it's sight and sook, mix of ta and sa. Sight and sook.
Sight and sook.
Yes. So I have sent you the file number second also on the mail. Okay, so download that and revise from Q till Z once. Then after 3-4 minutes we'll discuss it again.
Sure. Just give me a moment. Let me download it. Okay. Q is pronounced as qua. So quer. R is pronounced as glottal. Glottal means the sound which comes from your throat, like rees. Bruder, Schwester. S is pronounced as z, means zoo, and sa. It'll become singen, zingen, and slosh. Zingen and slosh. T is pronounced as t. Duncan Ratten. V is pronounced as for. F for ball. For. Volkswagen. W is pronounced as for. W is way. Volkswagen. It becomes wheel. Feel for Wazir. And vegan way. Raman, the last word W, this will be pronounced, right?
Wo.
Okay. Feel for Wazir, vegan, wo. X is pronounced as X, like X-Tralen, X-rays. Y is pronounced as we, like tweep. And Z is pronounced as a mix of sound, T and S. Examples are sight, sook. Okay?
Yeah. Start from Q, okay? Speak the rule and the example from Q.
So Q is pronounced as qua, and example is quer. R is pronounced as glottal R, which means the sound which comes from your deep throat, right?
Yeah.
And for example, R is rees.
No, not rees. It's not rees. It's riser. EI is I. Riser.
Correct. Sorry, riser. Because in the end you pronounce it as a.
Yeah, yeah. Riser.
E is in the end. Riser.
Mm.
The other example is Bruder and
Yeah.
Schwester.
Yeah.
S is pronounced as two types. First is S, single S, it is Z.
Mm.
Double S, it is S.
Mm.
So Zingen and Schloss.
Yeah. Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss. T is pronounced as T. Tanken, Ratten.
Yeah.
V is pronounced as F. Example is Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. And W is pronounced as V.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah, yeah. So vegan, wow. Mm.
Sorry, W is pronounced as V.
Mm.
So it's like we feel, for, Wasser, vegan, and wa.
Whoa.
O is pronounced as o. O. Sorry, O is pronounced, single O is pronounced as o, right?
Oh, okay. Whoa. O sound.
Wa. X is pronounced as extralin. Example is extralin. X is X itself.
Mm.
Y is pronounced as we. So tweet. And Z is pronounced as a mix of sound T and S. Examples are Zeit and Zook.
Sight and soup, okay?
Zeit and Zook.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, got it now till here?
Yes. Hey, your sound is coming from too far, huh?
Yeah. So you have to revise this everything again properly, okay? All the rules from A till Z you have to revise again. Let me know if you have any doubt again in any letter. Today
So
you have to
usually Z, right? Z is pronounced as Z as a letter. Right?
as a letter, and the sound is sa, mix of ta and sa, sight and sook.
Yeah.
Okay.
They call epsilon as what? X.
Y. Yeah.
Y is epsilon.
That's the name of letter Y. Okay. Epsilon.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So let's do till here today. Yeah. Now next class we have tomorrow 10 a.m. German time, right?
Yeah.
So
correct.
let's keep Friday and Saturday for coming 2-3 weeks, right?
Yeah, that should be okay.
Okay. So by tomorrow you revise them everything again properly 2-3 times.
Sunday you are not there, right? Sunday you don't take classes.
No, I take classes. That's not a problem. Okay, but let's keep 2 only initially. Okay.
No, what I was thinking is that we shift this to Sunday tomorrow, so at least I get some time to digest this.
But this Sunday I'm not available. Can we keep tomorrow? You revise it. Okay, it will not take much time. From next week I'll keep on Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Revise it before the class. It will not take much time. And tomorrow also we'll be doing pronunciation only. So we'll revise it again in the class also. So but just go through it for 30-40 minutes. It is not that much lengthy. From only A till Z you have to do, not the remaining thing. Okay. In the second file, only till Z, not the remaining things. Remaining I'll tell you tomorrow.
Okay, there's something else as well in that file itself.
Yeah, right? It's 6-page file, no? So only 2 we have done. So only that much you have to revise totally before tomorrow's class. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Okay. Yeah.
Chalo.
Okay.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah.
There's nothing to download, huh?
I have sent you the video on mail. I sent you the video on mail that you can download from there.
Okay. Video also you have sent me.
Yeah, I have sent on mail. Okay.
Chalo,
yeah.
okay.
Okay,
thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Yeah.